The situation here is deteriorating rapidly. A massive tree just went into the vortex. We need support now. The roadway is unstable, collapsing. Everyone pull back 50 meters. Do not approach to the edge.
Command, this is Rescue 1. Massive landslide in the exclusion zone. Evacuate the area immediately.
The structural displacement here is extensive. The force of the flood has compromised the foundations of multiple buildings. The crowbar. Let's start with this pile over here.
All right, thank you. We can definitely clear this section. Man, this is Rescue 1. The pole is down, high voltage lines are exposed. Requesting immediate heavy lift support and isolation of the grid section.
Okay, teams, focus on the red sectors here. The water is receding, but the structural integrity is compromised. Deploy the boats and report status immediately. Stay safe. Steer clear of the main channel, pilot. Head towards the submerged vehicles on the left. We've got a critical breach at the subway. I repeat, critical breach. We need heavy support immediately. Everybody get back! The bridge is collapsing! We have to evacuate now! Move! Move!
And the barriers are completely overwhelmed. We are marking new hazard zones now. The water is rising fast. We have confirmed structural failure on 5th Street. Evacuate the sector immediately. I repeat, evacuate now. This is Rescue 1. We have confirmed structural damage on the boulevard. Water flow is unpredictable and increasing.
Thank you for following this story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread green.
Live in the heart of the financial district, where this unprecedented storm continues to hammer the skyscrapers. Officials are...
As you can see, the wave has engulfed the entire harbor. The destruction is immense, with boats being tossed around like toys.
As you can see behind me, the situation here on the mountain is deteriorating rapidly. This mud flow is growing in intensity.
Major development here. The central canopy has just completely buckled and collapsed. We are urging everyone to stay clear of the area. As you can see behind me, the mudslide is gaining speed. This is an unprecedented event, and residents are urged to evacuate immediately.
As you can see, the mud is right upon us. The ground is shaking violently. This is a catastrophic failure of the slope. Storm surge is upon us. That wave just decimated the main pier. I've never seen anything like this.
As you can see behind me, the crosswind corridor is tearing through the hillside. We've seen several roofs lifted completely off their foundations.
The scale of this phenomenon is incredible, John. It's pulling mist hundreds of feet into the air, and there is no sign of it slowing down.
Thank you for
hydrated.
following this story.
Thank you, we appreciate the
Don't
help.
forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread green.